okay? We are more alike than I admit. I don't really know you. I don't really know you. I focused on you instead of my pain. I hope you're happy. In the reverse. Yeah. You see this in the reverse. No, you don't. I feel that you will reject me. Well, if it's meant from God, you won't be rejected. You're so easy to see through. And I've been struggling. I understand better now. I can still see you standing there. I know you can. I know you can. Y'all know that day with my twin. I know he was my twin. But the day that he was leaving to go see about, because something happened in the family, when he was driving off, I looked at him in his eyes and he looked at me. I knew that was the last day that I was going to see him. I knew it. I knew it. And I talked to him halfway on the way, and then like one day he spent the night, and then like another day, and then no more hear from him no more. And then it is what it is. I ain't tripping. But God got his way for everything. So y'all, let's see what signs some of us is dealing with, okay? Let's just see. Let's see what signs some of us are dealing with. Okay. We got a Cancer. We got a Scorpio. A Sagittarius. A Gemini. Okay. A Virgo. A Pisces. And a Taurus. And one more. There they go. A Libra and an Aries. And Aquarius at the bottom of the deck. Y'all, I love y'all. And if you like my vibe, like, share, subscribe. Y'all, I love y'all. So I just hope everybody take heed. Be careful. Stay prayed up. Keep God first. And no ain't shit gonna touch you. Nothing. I don't give a fuck what they do. How much magic they use. They can have that song, I'm your magic man. Who gives a fuck? We don't care. We ain't scared. Because that shit don't even touch us no more. In the beginning, when we was nowhere near woke, that shit was whooping our ass. And that's the motherfucking truth. If you like my vibe, y'all know what to do. Like, share,